So hello guys, welcome back. This is a new video. Today we are working on a die feeder. So I've sorry I haven't documented this sooner. But this is how far I've gotten on with it. Put on the light so you can see. I've most of the construction already finished. As you can see, I made the axle, made the side panels, the back, all the container is made. All I have to do now is put in the cutters, PTO, and then I'm going to paint it. And there's going to be knives that are going to be on the shaft that goes on the inside. So as you can see, split, and there's a shaft that turns. This turns. And you can see the opening where the feed will come out. That's what the feed's going to be coming out from there. I'm going to have a bit of a ramp that folds out. Hopefully I'm going to have a sliding door as well. Door that slides shut, so when it's mixing, and then when it can be opened and let out the food or feed for the cattle. But overall, it came along very well. I'm very impressed with it so far, and hopefully it'll be finished in no time. So yeah, that's that. So next I'm going to be working on the door, getting the door brackets fixed, hopefully working properly. So I've been getting on well with this. I've been busy with this die feeder. As you can see, I put on a cog on the front end, a sprocket I should say. So there's a teat running around. On the inside I put in all the cutters, so when it does rotate as the knives going around. I know these are not accurate, but they're just there for the motion more. So yeah, that works pretty well. Also, I've been working hard on the door. Just turn around the tractor and trailer, or tractor and tie feeder. See, I've put on the sliding door. It's on. I can be taken off. It slides out. Then it slides back in. No problem. So as you can see, it's put on a hinge, a piece of bar, slides along, it's open, then I can slide it closed. It's not a bad job. Now I just have to make the little chute that it runs out of be a tractor width, just be a bit of an extended piece, and yeah, then I'm going to be starting on painting. Now first of all, as well as I put in the PTO, as you can see the PTO is in place. The same, it's actually the other half of the axle that used to be, that's on the slurry tanker as well. So that's one half, which is the other half of the axle. The reason is I couldn't use the axle again, and actually the wheels off it are actually on the slurry tanker. So yeah, but the tie feeder is very happy with it. It looks well as well, and it's not too bad. And once I start getting to paint it, it'll start improving the cosmetics of it as well. So yeah, because it's a fine day, I'm going to try and get it sprayed up, I mask it up, and yeah, we'll see where we are then. So yeah, power on. So a lot of work has been done since my last installment. I've cleaned it all off. And then I've given it a good paint. First of all, I went along and I painted it in my racing green, and then I went ahead with the grey, and I've painted all the little details that need to be highlighted, and it looks very well. I'm just going to put on the camera so you can actually see it a bit better. There we go. As you can see, it's looking a lot better. Put in the chute. I've painted it. It's not even still wet. The chute is the paint on the chute, so I'll just watch that. Put on a pipe that goes with the tractor. Can be detached. It's not connected, but it just represents hydraulic hoses being connected up to work the door and different motions with the die feeder. Even though it is PTO driven, it has a hydraulic door in it. And then there's gauges and stuff inside the tractors, or to tell how much weight is in it. As you see, I've painted the colours inside. They look well. It's a big improvement from what they were. So I painted it all green first, and then I came along with the grey. I've then painted the top of the sliding door, the handle on the sliding door, just representative as handle, the chute, and I've put a bit of a stripe there, and I've put it on the far side of the machine so that it just breaks up that dark green. That put a line along it. I think it looks a bit better. Painted the centres and the wheels in the grey just to give it a bit more detail. And yeah, I think the dye feeder is ready to go and start being used to start feeding the cows. They're hungry and they need a machine for their mixed ration. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please like, subscribe, and guys, there's plenty more videos to come. Bye for now.